What does it take to wear a crown that holds not just beauty but also a purpose? For 19-year-old Caitlin Sandra Neal, Miss India USA 2024, the crown represents a journey of resilience, vision, and empowerment. Born in Chennai, India, and raised in the United States, Caitlin's story is an inspiring tale of blending cultures, breaking barriers, and pursuing dreams with unyielding determination. This thrilling journey from Chennai to New Jersey to becoming a national pageant queen is more than just glitz and glamour. It's about making a difference, representing a community, and leaving a legacy. Caitlin has been living in the US for 14 years, yet her heart beats for her Indian roots. A second-year student at the University of California, Davis, she dreams of empowering women, enhancing literacy, and inspiring young girls to chase their dreams. Before we dive into her awe-inspiring story, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications to stay updated on more stories that celebrate extraordinary journeys like Caitlin's. Born in the bustling city of Chennai, Caitlin Sandra Neal's early life was shaped by a unique cultural blend. At just 5 years old, her family moved to the United States, seeking better opportunities. Settling in California, Caitlin's upbringing was a harmonious mix of Indian traditions and American values. Her parents, who worked tirelessly to provide her with the best education and opportunities, instilled in her a sense of gratitude and purpose. "Mom and Dad, your unwavering love and support have been my foundation," Caitlin said in her acceptance speech. "This achievement is as much yours as it is mine." Her passion for the arts began at a young age, fueled by classical Indian dance lessons and community theatre performances. These experiences ignited her love for storytelling, fashion, and acting, paving the way for her to step into the world of pageantry. Caitlin's entry into the Miss India USA competition was not just a leap of faith but a step toward fulfilling her lifelong dream. Competing against 46 other talented contestants from 25 states, she showcased her talent, intelligence, and charisma. The pageant, organized by the India Festival Committee (IFC), was held in New Jersey. It brought together contestants across 3 categories: Miss, Mrs., and Teen India USA. Caitlin impressed the judges with her eloquent speech on women's empowerment and literacy. Her vision of creating a world where women could thrive as leaders, innovators, and trailblazers resonated deeply with the audience. The night of the competition was electric, with every contestant bringing their A-game. Caitlin's journey culminated in her crowning moment, where Rejul Mani, Miss India USA 2023, passed on the title. The audience erupted in applause as Caitlin, draped in a stunning gown, accepted the crown with grace and humility. Beyond the glittering stage, Caitlin is a young woman with a mission. As a student of web design at UC Davis, she plans to use her skills to create platforms that promote women's literacy and entrepreneurship. "Leadership begins with the heart, and my heart is overflowing with gratitude for everyone who made this dream a reality," Caitlin shared in her speech. Her goals extend far beyond personal achievement. Caitlin envisions a future where young girls, especially from underrepresented communities, have access to education and opportunities to excel. Through her title, she plans to collaborate with non-profit organizations and community leaders to amplify voices that deserve to be heard. Pageantry often brings to mind glamorous gowns, sparkling tiaras, and dazzling photo shoots. While Caitlin embraces this aspect of her role, she remains grounded. Her typical day includes juggling her college coursework, volunteering for literacy programs, and preparing for upcoming modeling assignments. Caitlyn also dreams of a career in acting and modeling. Her Instagram account is a testament to her multifaceted personality, featuring snapshots of her in traditional Indian attire alongside chic, modern outfits. This experience has given me more than a crown. It has gifted me a sisterhood of strong, inspiring women and a purpose, Caitlyn says. The Miss India USA 2024 competition was a spectacle of beauty and talent. Alongside Caitlyn, other Sanskriti Sharma from Illinois crowned Mrs. India USA 2024. Arshita Katpalia from Washington crowned Miss Teen India USA 2024. Notable runner-ups in Caitlyn's category were Nirali Desai of Illinois and Manini Patel of New Jersey. 47 contestants competed across all categories, each showcasing unique skills and inspiring stories. Caitlyn believes that this crown is not an endpoint but the beginning of a larger journey. Her dedication to empowering women and her commitment to education are already setting her apart. She plans to leverage her title to promote Indian culture while embracing the diversity of her American identity. Her story is a testament to the power of dreams, hard work, and resilience. For Caitlyn Sandra Neal, Miss India USA 2024, the journey has just begun. Caitlyn's story is an inspiration for anyone striving to make a difference. From a little girl in Chennai dreaming big to a young woman crowned Miss India USA, her journey is proof that dreams do come true with determination and a strong sense of purpose. If Caitlyn's journey inspired you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more stories that celebrate the power of dreams and the beauty of purpose.